SBET stock analysis and price predictions for 14th of July and onward. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Notice that I'm the only guy in this space that has done 43,000 videos like this. It's taken me 5 years, but I'm the only one showing you what's actually working, and I'm just showing you the trenches and good stuff and what's printing. Now, because I have all the data collected, I know my edge and I know what's printing. Like, it was all good and great when I was here calling it out, you know, when it was like 30 bucks at the time. I'm talking like this thing here, it was 30 bucks when I called it out, and then we reached like 120. I was only aiming for like 53, so it was almost a double, but then we sort of came down. I was so hyped because I was like, okay, so we got the first break. If there is a second, we print. Yeah, never got the second. Then we saw it kind of went all over the place. The key part here, mate, is that if I do see the price kind of pulling down and then giving me a shift, and there's still a very good chance that I'm taking it lower. I'm just not going to assume things though. I'm going to stick to my rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.